jobs. And I put out April 15th, Steve Forbes will create the next 6 years 500,000 new jobs in Florida. And the way we're going to do that is by reducing the tax burdens and the regulatory burdens on small businesses, some targeted tax reductions like the corporate tax. The income tax is going to be reduced from 5.5% to 4.5%, a 20% reduction, and some other things that will give the next governor, me, the tools to go recruit businesses to come here, to move their headquarters, and move their production facilities. We need to broaden the base, build on the Scripps and the Burnham and Sanford Burnham recruitment that Jeb Bush did, build on high tech and biotech and aerospace, the kind of permanent jobs we need for Florida.
What's the message that you want to concentrate on getting out at this point in the campaign? Okay.
Well, the most important message I want people to know is about me. This election isn't about myself, it's about our children and our grandchildren and making Florida a better place for them. It's really about the public, it's about the future of our state. I have a record that's clear, anybody can see it. I'm a Ronald Reagan conservative. I run as a Reagan conservative. I was elected in 1981 to Congress to go with him, and I have been there at every step of the way. I'm proud of my service in Congress and proud of my service as Attorney General. I'm looking forward to leading this state. I don't know much about the record of my opponent, and I think that's the real contrast here. All we know are his slick ads, and that he has a questionable record at Columbia HCA, and now questions about potential fraud at Solantic, his current company, and he hasn't been forthcoming. If he has nothing to hide, why doesn't he come forward with the deposition that he took 6 days before he filed for being governor in this race, the deposition he took in one of those lawsuits that accuses the company of the fraud that we don't know whether it was committed or not. So I know people need to know, and think about it, this race is about more than policy, it's about character, leadership, trust, and it's about our records. It's about who are we and what kind of a governor will we be for the state. And I'm confident in leaving that judgment call to the people of Florida. I've always trusted them, and I trust them now.